Innovation drives the progress of the times. Quality determines the development of enterprises. Since its inception in 2014, LSolution has been focusing on the professional audio field, planning ahead with industry-leading technology. We are committed to becoming the world's top-level manufacturer of line array speaker systems. High-position layout of 8,000 square meters of modern plant consolidate the foundation for development. In terms of business format building, we have a far-sighted vision, relying on the 300 square meter exhibition hall, 150 square meter acoustic R&D room, 3,000 square meter workshop, and 4,000 square meter warehouse. We built a dual guarantee of efficient production capacity and fast delivery. Equipped with 2 professional speaker production lines, integrating 20 years of acoustic research and development experience and digital management technology, we consolidate the foundation of the whole industry chain. Realize the whole process of integrated production from box material, CNC cutting, spraying and polishing to assembly and testing. The 5-step quality testing system is strictly implemented, and each set of products passes 100% test on material, structure, face, frequency response, and listening sense to ensure stable performance and excellent sound quality. In the market opportunity, we are guided by the demand for line array speakers, subwoofers, monitor speakers, and digital power amplifiers. Strictly follow ISO 9001 CE RoHS international standards to provide customers with a professional ODM and OEM services. Strengthen the integration of production and sales, and break through the limitations of regional markets by exporting to more than 90 countries and regions. Use constantly upgraded customer experience to activate the power of enterprise development and illuminate the future of the brand. LSolution Audio continues to drive innovation and progress in the professional audio industry with sound technology as the link. In the future, we will continue to work with global partners to deliver a superior sound experience and let the world hear the power of China's intelligent manual